If you're relatively new to drums and you want to start moving your singles around the kit, so right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, here's a good feel for you. So the first thing you've got to be able to do is play 16th notes, so 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, on the snare drum as right, left, right, left. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, along with a bass drum on the pulse, so each number. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Remember that will be falling each time with your right hand. And basically all this groove is moving those 16th notes around. So once you've got this, you're basically 3/4 of the way there. Beats 1, 2, and 3 are exactly the same, so you've only got to master one little bit. And it's this, so it's 1, E, and up. You're going to go right, left, low, snare, snare, high. And you're just going to repeat that 3 times. So you're going to go 1, E, and a, 2, E, and a, 3, E, and a. And then when you get to 4, you just have to go right, left on the floor tom. I suggest first get the hands down just so you get used to it, and then put the foot in afterwards. And a good note with this drum fill specifically is your bass drum's going to be falling when you play the floor tom with the right hand. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. Chuck a crash on the 1 because then you're back into a groove if you so wish. Hope you enjoy.